Welcome back to my channel. Uno no know say.
Do you know started?
Some girl look like when mosquito want shred. Me not ask Christ. Me not look good. Me not ask Jesus. Me not look good. Yeah, bro, them stay bad. My face a breakout back, so I have to work on it, people. Yeah, my face a breakout back. So I have to put on my spot remover cream. Some bumper, so them I try to get rid of. So anyways, guys, right now I'm gonna run one prank on Ariana and Aisha and see if how them can manage it. Aisha, come here. Oh, she hear me say a prank, but them don't really know what a prank mean. Aisha, come here now. Come here, I'm gonna ask you a question. Come here, come here. Yeah, come here. Come here now. Come here, baby. Come here, come here, come here. I'm not beat you. You do something wrong, that's why you don't want to come to me. Aisha, you know say me and your mother? You know? Who tell you? Are you tell yourself? When you find out? So me ask you a question. You know say me and your mother a long time? Eh? So me can never tell me something. Aisha! Aisha! Oi! Oi! Why you never tell me say me and your mother a long time? You don't like me? You like me? You sure you like me? Kiss me if you like me.
Mommy.
You like me, Nick? Oh, I make you like me, Nick. What one feed? So let me ask you a question now, little miss thing. If you know say me never did your mother, why you never tell me long time? Eh? Somebody bust her fire or something, no? She tell me say I Liam her little cousin. Me don't want to send her back down her people in yard. Yeah, because him licking in your face, not true? What's hard about him? Sister lick Liam face? Why, sister? Sister licking back? Sister bad girl? Touch it, high five. Your sister come out, your girl. Alright, let me chat to Ari. Ari, come here, car. Aisha now go on good people. Goodbye, Aisha. She don't want to go down. Go on, Aisha. Stand up. Me broke my hand. Excuse yourself.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Hi.
Alright, Ari, look here. Me don't want to hear this right now. Okay, now I'm going to make my thing error. So come off of that for a minute. Ariana, you know me and your mother, right? Me and your
Sister.
Me and your sister. A long time you know this though. Who tell you?
Mommy.
Where your mother? Where your mother?
Welcome, Mommy.
Left that. Who is your mother? This is gonna welcome back to my channel. You don't know what she.
Welcome back.
Nobody not talk to your friendly, but welcome back to your channel. Excuse yourself, man. I don't know who are you.
To the official channel.
Yeah. Our.
And it's a girl D and I'm back here talking about my mother. She said I'm not her picnic.
Lord of God.
A prank.
I'm not prank, a real thing.
A prank.
It's not prank. Me I tell you some me and your mother, me and Aisha mother either. What you mean?
No, me a dead.
People love and shit up, we can't do this. Aisha, what you mean by oh?
Right.
D, me a pack up and left. What you mean this don't feel right?
You say don't sit well for your stomach, Ari.
Yeah, you don't feel right anymore.
People say
What the mommy look?
So let me ask you a question now, Ari. So if me and your mother, when me give you my breast, why you take it?
Yeah.
You take my rest and you waste my time. And you know me and your mother, I don't know, you know, steady. Eh? You know, set straight way. Set it straight. Yeah.
I take a straight to wash it.
Because you're not going good. People we don't know what go on. The ring light keeps falling down. We don't know. Probably not stand up properly. Wait for them. Ariana, me I talk to you when I don't talk to you yet. More you talk, tell the people them the story. When you tell the people them how it go. Zine? Yeah. So I want to see. Want to you.
Me want go sleep.
You don't want to go no sleep. You want to go use phone and you not use no phone in ya. I want to this again. Ari, what your mother name? What your mother name?
The official.
Who named the official? It's not me. It's not me, Ari. I don't know your mother. I don't know who is your mother. I find your Aisha on the roadside. I'm carrying it home with me. You don't believe me?
Oh, Kita.
And you too. It told me find a roadside. I'm carrying me up and laugh.
I don't believe you.
Don't you just like my girl? Stop putting the button on my face. You don't believe me? Come here, so you have to sit down here so and talk. What you say? You don't believe me?
But sometimes me don't believe you sometimes.
Why? Tappy, your body I go kin over. Why you not believe me sometimes? Come in, what talk upload now? Why? Ma was tell us me and your child.
Yeah.
But me and your child, Ari.
You can't be my child.
Exactly.
You have to find out who I'm my mother.
Oh, so me need to go find out who your mother.
Of course.
Yeah, cause them switch my picnic. Me don't come off of me. Me don't want uno. Come off of me. Come off of me. Me don't want uno. Goodbye. Go look for your mother.
Mother.
Go look for your mother.
And this is my auntie.
Go look for your mother do.
I'm
Me
my
don't know.
auntie. I'm my auntie phone.
Oi! Where your mother there?
Eh?
Where your mother?
That one.
Which part?
Open yard. Him name Auntie D.
Come here.
Name
Where's-
Auntie D.
Oh, so you're not using the head. What your mother name?
Auntie D, guys.
So, what mean name?
Guys. The official.
So you know me teeth from your mother, right?
Of course.
You feel how way? You feel hurt? You don't want me to be alright, mother? You sure? You love me? You sure you love me? How me know say you love me?
Me not know. 2% me love you.
2%!
Of course.
That's not enough percent. A little bit of percent that. How much you love me, Aisha? How much you love me?
Mother.
You love Say mother. Aisha. Aisha. How much you love me? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
You love me 5. Oh.
7, 8, 9. Going from 1 to 10.
Yay!
Mommy, come. Come. Kiss me.
My girl.
Come now.
Mm. Who never do some big intimate kiss? Who never do some big old terrible kiss like me don't know when I go over. Aisha. You don't put me at home start the truth. You don't put me at home. Why you put me at home? You don't love me?
No. Mommy.
He can't say. He can't say that. Yes, Ari. Yeah. Ari, come here. Where is it? Talk out loud. Where is it? Turn around. Talk. So where you say again? Say that I feel it right now. No. you know something about that feelings right now.
Fuck, tell me do it again. Do it again. Why not do it again? We can't do it. Do it again.
Wait. Where you say, Harry?
Me say me can't. Me say me not there in an argument right now.
You're in an argument right now. Which argument? Why you argue?
Me no want nobody to talk to me again.
Why?
Because me no love nobody to talk to me. And me no like that. That is not a real style.
Oh, wait. So you don't like me? You don't like me? Make up your mind. You just say you don't like nobody. And you don't love nobody. Make up your mind. You don't like me? Eh? You like me? So you be so strong.
Because me no like nobody else. Only you me like an auntie to a nice shop.
Oh, so you don't want to talk on this? Then that you ever say, sis?
Get that I shall be sending nine feelings right now.
Are you trying to run me?
Me tell her say, and that the girl say, oh, she not in her feelings right now. I don't want her. Boy, you have an idiot. Anyways, guys, people, that was just a commercial break. I hope you guys had a laugh. And we're gonna jump in the actual video right now. Bam.